Okay, good evening to all of you. So yesterday we have discussed about vibration in air column, right? And we talked about open organ pipe. इसके बारे में बात किया था last class में. We have talked about open organ pipe. We discussed that in open organ pipe at the end, ठीक है, at the end points, तो दोनों का ये end और ये end पे क्या है, open है. So at open ends, what will happen to the displacement? Displacement will have maximum amplitude. ठीक है, तो यहाँ displacement का maximum amplitude मिला. So what about pressure? So we know that pressure, we know the phase difference between pressure variation and displacement. That is pi by 2. So if you are having anti-node for displacement, you will get node for pressure. ये होता है ना, pi by 2 का phase difference का मतलब if one of them is at maximum, other one will be at 0. यही है कहानी. So in fundamental mode, we are going to get like this. We are going to get two nodes for pressure and then one antinode at the middle of it. ठीक. अभी what about first overtone? इसके बाद क्या possibility है? Is there any other possibility to have standing wave? तो yes, we do have. Condition क्या होना चाहिए? At the end, we should have pressure nodes or we should have displacement antinodes. तो वो condition that will be satisfied. But apart from that, can we have multiple antinodes or multiple nodes inside it? तो हाँ हो सकता है. तो पहला overtone में क्या बोला? For displacement in fundamental mode, we were having only one node. मैंने क्या बोला? अभी दो नोड लाओ. Now bring two nodes here. तो how will you do that? तो यहाँ दो नोड होना चाहिए. We know that distance between two nodes or distance between one antinode and node or distance between antinode and node, consecutive antinode and node, what are they? They are what? Equal. तो equally क्या हो जाएगा? ऐसा divide हो जाएगा. ये वाला part, ये वाला part, ये वाला part, right? But at the end there should be antinodes. तो यहाँ से antinode किया, बीच में दो nodes होना चाहिए. It should start like this, go to node, then it should go to the antinode, then again come back to the node, and then finally at the end it should go to an antinode. So ऐसा कुछ condition आएगा. नीचे से draw करेंगे तो it should look like this. For pressure, तो at the free end the nodes will be there, right? तो two nodes at the free end. बीच में क्या था यहाँ पे? One antinode. But now I'm saying bring two antinode. मतलब दो antinode होना चाहिए. Possible है क्या? तो करके देखते हैं. तो यहाँ node and then antinode. Then it has to come to node, then antinode, then again at the end it has to go to a node. So this condition we have already studied. The first overtone का काम हो गया. Now if you ask me to draw the third overtone, ऐसा ही बनाना पड़ेगा. Third overtone में क्या होगा? If I talk about pressure, you have to bring three antinode. You have to bring three antinode. ठीक है? वो आप कर लोगे, आराम से हो जाएगा. ठीक है? Three antinode. अगर second overtone की बात की तो three antinode बीच में लाना पड़ेगा. So for nth harmonic, what will be the frequency of vibration? The frequency will be equal to n into f1. What is f1 that we have calculated? So the value of f1 we have calculated as v by 2l. क्या मिला था? v by 2l. So in open organ pipe, frequency in nth harmonic, याद क्या रखना है? In open organ pipe, frequency in nth harmonic will be equal to n into v by 2l. ठीक है? nth harmonic में n into v by 2l. अच्छा, बहुत बढ़िया. अब बात करेंगे हम लोग closed organ pipe. So now we'll talk about closed organ pipe. So closed organ pipe का meaning one end will be closed and one end will be open. So let us draw an organ pipe here. So let us say ये हमारा organ pipe हो, और थोड़ा छोटा बनाता हूँ. Okay, and this end will be, let's say, closed, and this is the mean positions. ये condition. Okay, अच्छा, अभी displacement की अगर मैं बात करता हूँ, if I talk about displacement nodes and antinodes, क्या होगा? इसको मैं नीचे लिखता हूँ. For displacement, what will happen? At the free end, displacement will have maximum amplitude. At the free end, displacement will have maximum amplitude. So I'll have an antinode for displacement. At the closed end, यहाँ पे कुछ भी vibration, यहाँ पे कुछ भी displacement नहीं हो सकता है. So at the closed end, you have to consider a node for the displacement. Correct है? Very good. So if I talk about fundamental mode, तो fundamental में क्या होना चाहिए? Frequency minimum या सबसे rudimentary level पे क्या होगा? एक एंटी नोड बने और एक नोड बने. दिस इज द फंडामेंटल मोड, राइट? सो दिस इज द फंडामेंटल मोड. हियर एक एंटी नोड, हियर एक नोड. हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल? कैसे बनेगा? तो बना के देखते हैं. So the graph will look like, so here it should be anti-node, here it should be node. So can I say it will look like this? Correct? And if you go for the downward, तो नीचे का अगर मोशन रहेगा तो ऐसा आएगा. So this is how the standing wave will look like in fundamental mode for displacement. अच्छा, प्रेशर की बात करें तो कैसा होगा? So प्रेशर की बात करते हैं तो इसको let me copy this only. फिर कुछ चीजों को मैं इरेज कर दूंगा. इसको कॉपी किया, pasted it here, done, and let's erase this part. चलो, now for pressure, now as we know, if there is an antinode for displacement, what will happen to the pressure? You will get a node for the pressure. Where you are getting node for displacement, you will get antinode for pressure. क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे? We'll have NP and it have AP. ठीक है? So this is node for pressure, antinode for pressure. कैसे possible है? तो बना के देखते हैं. In fundamental mode, how is it possible? So let us try to do that. So here it should be node and then here should be antinode. In fundamental, one node, one antinode. तो बनाएंगे तो ऐसा कुछ बनेगा. Right? The vibration, the organ pipe का vibration will look like this. So standing wave का formation ऐसा होगा. Pressure variation. This is the displacement variation. This is the pressure variation. Okay. If length is L. If length is L. Tell me what is the length in terms of wavelength? What is the length of this pipe in terms of wavelength? So distance between, or distance between minima and maxima. Distance between minima and, sorry, 0 and maxima. Or you can say that mean position and extreme position is what? Lambda by 4. Correct. Very good. Most of you have got the answer. That is lambda by 4. So लिखेंगे इधर lambda by 4. So can I say here L is equal to lambda by 4? So I have got lambda is equal to 4L. So if somebody asks you what is the frequency, so I'll say V divided by lambda. So I'll be getting V divided by 4L. This is the fundamental mode. So I'll write this as F1 and this as the first harmonic, 1 into V by 4L. Because whatever you'll be getting in terms of some constant into V by 4L. आगे मिलेगा, पता लगेगा, ठीक है? So since we are having this as 1 here, तो मैं क्या बोलूँगा? This is nothing but the first harmonic. This is also called as first harmonic. Okay, and this frequency is called as fundamental frequency. Fundamental frequency, or the minimum frequency that is possible. Okay, what is the minimum frequency possible in closed organ pipe for standing wave? क्या होगा आंसर? V by 4L. तो ये आपको याद रखना है, V by 4L. अच्छा, now we'll talk about first over two. If we talk about first over two, तो ये मेरे को डायग्राम मिला था, राइट? इसमें मेरे को क्या फर्स्ट ओवर टू ड्रॉ करना है. Now instead of having one node, one anti-node, मुझे क्या थोड़ा और भी कुछ चाहिए. Now we'll try to have some multiple, like more than one anti-node and node combination here. So if this is the displacement, this is for displacement. If I copy the same thing for pressure, if I write, move it here. So now this is for pressure. चलो फिर से शुरू करेंगे, फिर उसे वही डिस्कशन. Here what? Anti-node for displacement, node for displacement, node for pressure, anti-node for pressure. Very good. अभी फंडामेंटल का हो गया, one anti-node, one node. Now what will I do? तो अभी करना क्या है कि we have to maintain this part. We have to maintain this part. But इसके बीच में एक और लूप लाने की कोशिश करेंगे. Can I include one node here? No, we can't do that. Can I do that? No. We cannot say कि okay, there is an antinode here, there is a node here, and then again there is a node here. It is not possible. क्या होगा? If we are going to include one node here, we have to include one antinode also. तभी वो exact loop is possible, right? We cannot have something like this. that there is an anti-node here, there is a node here, again there is a node here. So you cannot have two consecutive nodes. In between two nodes, there has to be one anti-node, right? So we have to include a pair of nodes and anti-node here. So I'll say, chalo, let us include one node here and then one anti-node here. Okay? So how the graph will look like? So if I try to draw the graph, let us denote those points. यहाँ पे node, यहाँ पे anti-node. If I divide it into 3 parts, तो कैसा बनेगा? Anti-node है, it will go to node. Sorry, wait करो. इधर ऐसा anti-node आया, then node. It will look like this, correct? Now, if you draw the downward वाला, तो ये ऐसा दिखेगा. Fine. अच्छा, for pressure कैसा होगा? तो now for pressure you are having here node, here anti-node. I cannot include one node or one anti-node. If I include one node here, then there will be two consecutive nodes. That is not possible. If I include one anti-node here, then two anti-node consecutive. That is not possible. So you have to include a pair of node and anti-node. तो कैसे करेंगे? So here it is node. So I have to include an anti-node here and then one node here. So AP here and NP here. Now alternate हो गया. It is divided into 3 parts. ऐसे से these are the positions. Now try to draw it. So node है, then go to anti-node, then go to again node, and then from here it will go to anti-node. Like this the graph will look like. If I draw the downward direction, so it should look like this. So the first overtone in closed organ pipe will look like this. Now length is L. Tell me the length in terms of lambda. Tell me the length in terms of lambda. Ashwin, tell me the length in terms of lambda. Are you having headache? Why are you lying like this? Please sit properly, na? हाँ. Tell me what is the length in terms of lambda. Purna Chandra, बताओ. Write that in the chat. What is the length in terms of wavelength? Yeah, 3 by 2 lambda, 3 by 4 lambda, 4L by 3. Nah. देखो क्या है ये? Can I say that this is lambda by 2? If you're having a full wave like this, half of it is lambda by 2. So this is what? Lambda by 2 and this is lambda by 4. So lambda by 2 plus lambda by 4 is kitna? 3 lambda by 4. So this is nothing but 3 lambda by 4. So I can say that L is equal to 3 lambda by 4. Correct hai? So lambda will be equal to 4L by 3. Now if I ask you what is the speed, sorry, what is the frequency here? The frequency will be written as V divided by lambda. So I can write V divided by 4L by 3. So 3 will come here. Now you can guess one thing here. In the first overtone only, in first overtone, when we were talking about open organ pipe, what did we get? We got 2 into F1. But in first overtone, what did we get here? We didn't get second. What did we get? We got 3 into V by 4L. So since this is what? 3. So we call this as third harmonic. One of you have guessed it correctly. So this is what? This is called as third harmonic. So this is called as third harmonic. Okay. Yes, correct, Pooja. And this is what? Second overtone. Okay. But for convenience, what I'll say? I'll write this as F3. You can write this as F2 also, no problem. Or yeah, you cannot write that as F2 also, but I'll write F3. Nth harmonic, so N into V by 4L. So I'll write this as again. So now, second to Milani. Similarly, if you're going to the second overtone, you'll get 5V by 4L. If you're going to go for second overtone, if you do the same kind of thing, you'll get F5 will be equal to 5V by 4L. तो वहां से क्या मिलेगा? Then we can decide that only odd harmonics will be obtained. The even harmonics will be missing from the vibration. तो क्या बोलेंगे यहाँ पे? Fn can be written as N into F1 or N into V by 4L, where N is odd number. Okay? तो please इसको ध्यान रखना है. So you have to remember this. Okay? So only odd harmonics will be formed. इसमें क्या मिलेगा? सिर्फ और सिर्फ odd harmonics मिलेंगे. इस चीज का ध्यान रखना है. Okay? सो या नेक्स्ट में क्या मिलेगा, फिफ्थ हार्मोनिक मिलेगा, उसके बाद क्या मिलेगा, सेवेंथ हार्मोनिक, उसके बाद नाइन्थ हार्मोनिक, लाइक दैट इट विल कम. ओके फाइन. सो दिस इज अबाउट क्लोज्ड ऑर्गन पाइप. तो फॉर्मूला क्या रखना है यार, in open organ pipe for nth harmonic nv by 2l, in closed organ pipe for nth harmonic nv by 4l. What is n? So in open organ pipe n is a kind of natural number, but here what is n? Here n will be an odd number. ठीक है, वहां पे कुछ भी हो सकता है, 1 2 3 4 5 कुछ भी हो सकता है, इधर only odd numbers are allowed. Okay, this you have to remember. Or for for some kind of simplicity, you can compare this. See, open organ pipe and vibration in string where both the ends were fixed, both of them are having the same kind of analysis, right? So you can compare them कि वो दोनों same था, जैसा open as we have got the nth harmonic or the frequency for nth harmonic in vibration in string fixed at the both end, the same thing will happen to the open organ pipe. However, in closed organ pipe only odd harmonics will be found. तो ये चीज को आपको याद रखना है. ओके, चलो, based on these assumptions, based on these analysis, let us try to solve some numericals. ठीक है, यहां तक अगर किसी को डाउट है तो बताएगा. If you have any doubt till this point, please let me know, or you can write in the chat section. You can ask Abhinav sir also. Let me copy a question for you. So a tube of, और या पहले उसके पहले मैं कुछ और करना चाहता हूँ. One more thing. Let me add one thing here. That is called as end correction. वो क्या होता है? End correction. What is this end correction? This was assumed, this was observed that when we talk about this antinode at free end, right? When you talk about antinode at free end or node for pressure at the free end, it was observed that this node is not actually lying on the end. It actually lies 0.6 r away from the end. What is r? R is the radius of the tube. ठीक है, what is that? It was assumed, it was observed that if you are having an open organ pipe, ऐसा अगर आपके पास organ pipe है, ठीक है, and if you talk about the fundamental mode, मैं अगर fundamental mode की बात करता हूँ, so it was observed, थोड़ा छोटा करो, so it was observed like this, that nodes were not exactly at the end. Nodes were not exactly at the end, but where the nodes were formed? So nodes were formed at a distance 0.6 r from the end. Similarly, on this end, the nodes were formed at 0.6 r. So if somebody asks you what will be the frequency or what will the nth harmonic frequency, so you'll say Fn will be equal to n into V by 2 into L plus, here what is the total length actually? कितना हुआ? L plus 0.6 r plus 0.6 r, that means 1.2 r. So 1.2 r. If we are talking about closed organ pipe, if we talk about closed organ pipe, ऐसा कुछ है, ठीक है. So how the wave will look like? So the wave that you are going to have is, यहाँ पे अगर this is, if we are talking about pressure, if you are talking about pressure, this is what? This is nothing but the node for pressure, and this is nothing but node for pressure. And if I again draw the standing wave for pressure only, तो क्या मिलेगा इधर? Let me make it थोड़ा सा छोटा. Yes. So it was assumed, so this will be what? Node for pressure, antinode for pressure. Okay, r is the radius of the tube. I'll write that, don't worry Ajay, I'll write that. Okay, so it will look like this. ऐसा होता है, but this was assumed that ये part जो थोड़ा सा end से offset होगा, and this distance is nothing but 0.6 r. ये experimentally निकाला गया था. Okay, so this is called as end correction. This is called as end correction. So in this case, what will be Fn value? Fn frequency in nth harmonic will be equal to n into V by 4 into L plus 0.6 r. और लेंथ क्या एक्सटेंड हो गया. ओके यस या आई लेट यू नो व्हेन यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट. वेट करो, ठीक है, मैं बताऊंगा कहाँ यूज करना है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द कंडीशन फॉर एंड करेक्शन. ये चीज को आपको ध्यान में रखना है. नाउ व्हेन द रेडियस इज वेरी वेरी स्मॉल, आर क्या है, वेयर, इधर लिख देता हूं मैं, वेयर आर इज द radius of pipe, organ pipe. If that radius is very very small, that 0.6 into r will be very small, right? So if r is the radius, if r is very very small, then this 0.6 into r will be very small, so we don't have to consider the end correction. Okay, तो ये एक्सपेरिमेंटल था, इन लोगों ने अज्यूम किया, देखा, ऑब्जर्व किया कि these nodes were not actually lying at the ends, but they are lying 0.6 are offset. तो 0.6 से थोड़ा दूर दूर निकल. So yeah, this is called as the end correction. If you consider the end correction, this is for open organ pipe. This is for open organ pipe, and this is for closed organ pipe. So after considering the end correction, this formula you have to use, and this formula you have to use for open and closed respectively. Okay. Achha, when we have to use it, if in the question it is mentioned, that considering the end correction, tab karna hai. Otherwise, if it is not mentioned but radius of the tube is given to you, okay, or if radius of tube has been asked to you, then you have to consider the end correction. If nothing is mentioned, radius of tube is not given, and nothing is given to you, okay, then you don't know the radius, so you cannot use the end correction. So in those questions, you don't have to use the end correction at all. Okay, so this is how you have to go for solution, go for the solution for such kind of numericals where end correction will be there or not. ऐसे करके decide करना है आपको. Let me give you one question so that you can understand how to solve these questions. So a tube of certain diameter, and of length 48 centimeter is open to, or is open at both the ends. Its fundamental frequency of resonance is found to be 320 Hz. The velocity of sound in air is 320 meter per second. ये question, okay? Now the final question is, estimate the diameter of the tube. So you have to estimate the diameter of the tube. Options are 6.66. Option B, obviously this is in centimeter. Option B, 3.33 centimeter. Option C, 8.3 centimeter, and option D, 10.3 centimeter. This question you have to solve. Okay, try to solve this. Now tell me whether you have to use the end correction or not. Do we need to use end correction here or not? Without using the end correction, a question नहीं solve होगा, right? So yes, you have to use the end correction. Chalo, try to solve this. A tube of certain diameter and of length 48 centimeter is open at both the ends. Its fundamental frequency of resonance is found to be 320 Hz. The fundamental mode में जो frequency that is 320 Hz. And yeah, what you are saying? Yeah, chalo, answers मिल रहे हैं. Good. Velocity of sound in air is given to you. Estimate the diameter of the tube. चलो solve करो जल्दी से. Okay, 50% of you have gone for option B. Darshan is saying option A, Kushal B, Trisha A, Vijay Lakshmi B, Aditya B, sorry, Aditya A, Harshala B. Good, ठीक है, देखते हैं क्या आंसर है. In next 20 seconds, I'm going to end the poll, guys. Try to answer this. Just you have to use the formula. That's it. Formula use करो, answer मिलेगा. V is given to you, L is given to you, everything is given to you. Chalo, let me end the poll here. Okay, Chetan B, Rahul is saying option B, Viresh option A, Rajanandan A. ठीक है, चलो अभी मैं end करता हूँ. कैसे solve करना देखो. So 70% of you have gone for option B, and I think it's correct. देखते हैं क्या होगा. Yeah. So the tube of certain diameter and of length 48 centimeter is open at both the ends. दोनों जगह क्या है? Open है. तो इसका meaning क्या है? Fundamental mode में what is the frequency? So frequency will be written as V by 2L. Correct है? अच्छा, V by 2L मिलेगा इधर से. So we have to find the diameter, but we didn't consider here the end correction. So how can we consider the end correction? We can write, we should be using this as V by 2 into L plus 0.6R. करेक्ट है? ये लिखा है ना मैंने. सॉरी, यहाँ पे 0.6R लिखने का 0.6R, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी डबल हुआ ना इधर, तो 2 ऑलरेडी मैंने आई हैव टेकन इट आउट. ठीक है, तो 0.6R दिस शुड बी द वैल्यू फॉर फ्रीक्वेंसी. नाउ अभी देखेंगे. डू वी नो द वैल्यू ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी? यस वी डू नो. डू वी नो द वैल्यू ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी? तो है, कितना मालूम है सर? तो फ्रीक्वेंसी दिया मेरे को. Frequency is given to us as 320. What is the value of V? Value of V is what? 320 meter per second. But मुझे किस में फॉर्म में बात करना है? सब सेंटीमीटर में. So I'll convert this into centimeter. So into 10 to the power 2 divided by 2 into L कितना है? 48 centimeter plus 0.6 into R. Correct? So यहाँ से हम solve करेंगे. 320 will get cancel. So I'll be getting here 2 into 48 plus 0.6 R is equal to 100. So 48 plus 0.6 R is equal to 100 by 2, that means 50. So 0.6 R is equal to 2. So R is equal to 2 divided by 0.6. 20 by 6, right? आएगा ना? 20 by कितना आएगा? हाँ, 20 by, करेक्ट है. इसमें 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देता हूँ ना सीधा, फालतू का बार बार करना. So here R is equal to 2 by 0.6. So diameter is equal to 2R. So 4 divided by 0.6. So what is the correct answer? 1 point. Correct है ना? कुछ गड़बड़ तो नहीं किया ना? Guys, let me know if I have done some mistake. Isn't it that 1.2R? Okay, yes, correct. मैं भी पागल हो रहा हूँ. Yeah, what is the length now? 2 into L. What is the length now? Effective length is what? 0.6R. What is that? 0.6R. I have done that mistake. So it will be 1.2R only. I thought of मैंने common लिया. So what is the effective length? L plus 1.2R. So effective length has to be replaced by L plus 1.2R. ठीक है. Correct. Thank you guys. So it will be 1.2R. It will be 1.2R. So here also it will be 1.2R. तो यहाँ भी आएगा 1.2R. So 1.2R is equal to 2. So here it will be 1.2. So it will also be 1.2. So correct answer is 1.33 centimeter. So option B. Well done. बहुत बढ़िया. So कितने लोग का आंसर आया था? 70% of you in the poll have gone for option B. Very good. And there were so many of you who have gone for option B. Yeah, in the chat also. Very good. Chalo. In the same question, if I say, yeah. So if one end is closed in above question. ठीक है, मैंने क्या बोला? In above question, if one end of the organ pipe is closed, then find the minimum resonant or minimum or lowest frequency. Find the lowest frequency of resonance. ठीक है, question number 2. Options are 263.3 Hz, option B 163.3 Hz, option C 363.3 Hz or 363.3 Hz, option D none of the above. चलो बच्चा लोग सॉल्व करो इसको. If one of the end is closed in the above question, find the lowest frequency of resonance. So what is the lowest frequency that is possible? Okay, 60% of you, 55% of you have gone for option, and 25% of you have gone for option C also. Guys, you have to put the value, you'll get the answer. Don't do guessing and all, because by the trend I can see that most of you guys are just guessing. And guys, बता रहा हूँ, you can't read my face. ठीक है, कि मैंने कौन सा face बना के कौन सा option दिया है. So please don't guess it. 52% B. Gautam Sheth is saying C for sure. हाँ, देखेंगे, मुझे तो नहीं लग रहा C for sure. Shreya, Kalpa, Prajwal, Monisha, along with them, 58%, and few others also in the chat. Vijay Lakshmi, Shreya, sab log, Pooja, everybody is going for option B. Well done, बहुत बढ़िया. चलो, let me end the poll here. एक calculation था सिर्फ. You have to just calculate it. You'll get the answer. Yeah, Chetan, correct. Purvi are correct. Vidya correct. Baswaraj correct. देखो क्या करना है. So if one end is closed in above question, then find the lowest frequency. Let me charge it. Yeah. तो कैसे निकालेंगे? तो one end is closed. Now closed organ pipe. तो frequency will be written as V by 4 into L plus 0.6 R. You know the value of R? Once you'll put that, it's 320 divided by 4 into 48 into 10 to the power 48 plus 0.6 into R. कितना आया था? R was nothing but 1.33 का half. ठीक है, तो आप लिख सकते हो इधर divided by 2 into 1.33. If you are going to solve it, you'll get 163.3. तो जो बोल रहे थे ना पक्का सी, ये मैंने ऑप्शन ऐसे ही कर दिया था. 163 was the answer. मैंने कुछ 100 आगे पीछे कर दिया. And guys were just going for option C and A and all. ठीक है, so option B is the correct answer. चलो दूसरा क्वेश्चन करते हैं. हाँ कर सकते हो थोड़ा सा, और अप्रोक्सीमेशन यू कैन डू दैट इन दिस क्वेश्चन. तो यू कैन डू द अप्रोक्सीमेशन भाई, आराम से कर सकते हो. फंडामेंटली तो मैंने यूज किया ना बच्चा. जैनम, आई हैव यूज्ड द फंडामेंटल फ्रीक्वेंसी ओनली ना. लोएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी का मतलब क्या है? फंडामेंटल फ्रीक्वेंसी. सो आई हैव डन द सेम ओनली, राइट? आई हैव डन द सेम ओनली. या 3.3 रहे, ठीक है ना, इट्स ओके. So I have used the fundamental frequency only. In this question, so you can also do this like do it like this. B by just 4L plus 0.6 है ना. थोड़ा सा उसके आजू बाजू में कौन है वो देखेंगे, वो आंसर आ जाएगा. बिकॉज 0.6 ये है ना, क्या है? 0.6 R है, बहुत छोटा सा वैल्यू आएगा, राइट? क्योंकि R क्या आया था, देखो इधर. R is what? This is 3, right? This is 3. तो R क्या आया था? This R is what? Less than 1.5, so less than 2 also. तो ज्यादा का अंतर नहीं आएगा. But if you see the options, थोड़ा खतरनाक ऑप्शन. But only danger is none of the above is also there. तो थोड़ा सा उसमें ध्यान देना है, okay? Abhinav sir, please look at अंकित राठी. हाँ, उसका थोड़ा देखिए क्या कर रहा है वो, एंड इफ समथिंग इज बैड तो उसको प्लीज रिमूव करिए. अरे आर कैसे चेंज करेगा? ऑर्गन पाइप को तुम चेंज किया थोड़ी. मैंने क्या किया? इन द सेम पाइप आई हैव क्लोज्ड द पाइप, सो आई हैव क्लोज्ड वन ऑफ द एंड, दैट्स इट. सो विल आर चेंज इफ यू टेक क्लोज्ड पाइप? सेम ही पाइप को मैंने क्लोज किया ना, राइट? वेयर डिड आई टुक? तो ठीक है ना बच्चा, सी हियर दिस इज d, तो d by 2 इज r, तो मैंने 2 से डिवाइड किया ना, नहीं करना. d by 2 is r, इट्स ओके. चलो सॉल्व करते हैं दूसरा सवाल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो इन अ रेजोनेंस कॉलम, two successive resonance are obtained at depth 30 centimeter and 50 centimeter respectively. Okay, the next resonance will be obtained at depth, option A 60 centimeter, option B 80 centimeter, option C 70 centimeter, and option D 90 centimeter. ठीक है, चलो सॉल्व करो. Those who have seen a resonance tube or resonance column, उसको समझ में आएगा. नहीं तो फिर ट्राई करो, मैं बताता हूँ. I'll explain what is resonance column, why do we use it, वो ही बताऊंगा. ठीक है. Resonance column is used to measure the speed of sound in air. क्या करते हैं? To measure the speed of sound in air, we use resonance column. एक तरफ क्या होता है, एक कॉलम ऐसा होता है उसमें वाटर फिल पूरा फुल होता है, एंड दूसरी तरफ एक दूसरा ट्यूब होता है where we can change the level of fluid. उसके बाद फिर हम लोग कुछ बात करते हैं using the vibration in air column. हम लोग find करते हैं what is the velocity of sound, the speed of sound in air resonance column. So those who know, they can attempt. Others, please wait for a minute. You can think about it. I'll explain what is resonance column in a bit. हाँ परीक्षा बताता हूँ, वेट करो. Okay, so let me wait, Naren, wait. Let me explain what is resonance column. होता क्या है, ठीक है? So what happens to the left of the column, इसको बोलते हैं हम लोग resonance column. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Resonance column. पूरे को resonance column बोलेंगे, पूरा device को. So initially this will be completely filled with water. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? करते हैं completely it will be filled with water. ध्यान से सुनना क्या होता है, ठीक है? So initially it will be completely filled with water. And what is this? This is a kind of device which can go up and down. ठीक है? If I fix this tube, if I fix this particular thing, what will happen? The level of this water cannot go up. ठीक? तो अगर ये fix कर दिया मतलब level of this will be fixed. if I lose it, if I give it free, so what will happen? This will try to come down and the label will try to become equal on both the tubes, right? तो इससे क्या करते हैं हम लोग, इसको ऊपर करेंगे तो label of this can come down. So this is in your hand. It will be controllable. It will be controllable. Or you can say that this will be used to control the level of water in tube, or you can say that, yeah, in tube R or in column R. This is column R. ठीक है, इसको मैं छोड़ दूंगा, इसको फ्री करूंगा तो क्या होगा? Because of the weight of the water, what will happen? This will try to go up. ठीक, if it is being freed, इसको अगर छोड़ूंगा तो what will happen? This label will come down. If I make it rigid, if I don't let it go above, then what will happen? The label of this fluid will remain same. Initially क्या होता है? Initially the label of the water is what? Full. पूरा ऊपर तक होता है. It is completely full. यहाँ पे एक हम लोग फिर क्या लाते हैं? We will bring a tuning fork. सबको पता है tuning fork क्या होता है? उससे क्या sound produce करते हैं. Okay, इसको रबर पे ऐसे with a particular, जिसका कुछ frequency मालूम होता है, तो frequency of tuning fork will be known to you. So when you tap it on a rubber pad, so what will happen? So this will create some sound. So because of this sound wave, what will happen? The air column near to this tuning fork will start vibrating. ठीक. So उसके बाद क्या करते हैं? Once we'll do that ना, we'll let it go. What we'll do? We'll increase the level of this up. So what will happen? This level will, this water level will start going down. So when this starts going down, this level starts going down, it was observed that at a particular level of the liquid, we got some maximum amplitude of the, or maximum intensity of the sound. So we heard the maximum intensity of the sound when the level of this liquid come to a particular level. Okay? Then again, after that, when we again let it go further up, so what will happen? This will try to come down. So after again some certain interval, when this particular level will come to a particular height, what will happen? Again that maximum sound wave, maximum intensity has been heard. So क्या हुआ? Now can I say that this is nothing but acting as a closed organ pipe? This is acting as a closed organ pipe. तो पहला length मान लो ऐसा था. First length was, let's say, this is what, let's say L1. So depth is what? L1. When we got the intensity as maximum, तो कुछ ऐसा हुआ, let's say. Let me use this. So node for pressure दिखा, या फिर anti node भी बना सकते हो. अगर anti node बनाना तो ऐसे बना सकते हो. It can do like this. So ऐसा कुछ बना. Now again, when this label was brought down, so what will happen? इसको मैं नीचे कर रहा हूँ. So again, the same maximum frequency, maximum intensity or maximum sound was observed. तो इसको इधर से ऐसे बनाया गया. If फिर again, now tell me, if here you are getting anti-node, that means you are talking about displacement. We are talking about displacement. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? Free end पे, fixed end पे, it will come as a node. ऐसा कुछ आएगा. Yes, Kiran, you must have done it in your exam, in your lab. पक्का किया होगा ये. Sorry बच्चा लोग, ये ध्यान से बन नहीं रहा, but ऐसा ही होता है, ठीक है? तो when the maximum sound or when the maximum intensity of sound has been heard, when the length was, let's say, L2 from the top. So now the depth has become L2. Correct है? Yes, you must have done in the lab. ठीक, बहुत बढ़िया. So now can I say that? Now what has happened here? So when length was L1, intensity मिला मेरे को. When length is L2, then again intensity मिला मेरे को. ठीक है? तो अभी क्या बोलेंगे इसको? How can we get the value of V from here? How can we get the value of V from here? So I can say from here as V is equal to, पहला केस में क्या मिला? इस केस में क्या मिला? Sorry, frequency लिखेंगे तो I can write frequency F is nothing but V by 2L. Here I can write V by 2L1. ये मिलेगा. Second case में क्या लिखेंगे? So from this one, what will I say? So now this is what? First over 2. So can I directly write it here like this? that L2 minus L1 is nothing but, if I ask you what is the difference in length, what is the difference in depth, so L2 minus L1 is nothing but this length. And what is this length? Can I say this is nothing but lambda by 2? This is what? Lambda by 2. So I can write this as lambda by 2. And how can you write this lambda? So lambda is nothing but V into T, right? V into T or V by frequency. So V divided by frequency F. Correct hai? So this is how we can write it. So yeah, V by F. So I can write that V is equal to F into, और यहाँ 2 लिखेगा, तो I can write V is equal to 2 into F into L2 minus. So if I put the value of F here, the frequency of the tuning fork, and if I put the value of depth that we have got, L2 and L1, then I'll get the value of speed of sound. So you must have done it in your lab examinations. Yeah, a few of you are already saying that we have done it in physics lab for practicals. Yeah, correct. ठीक है. So क्या मिला मेरे को इधर? Depth का में difference कितना का मिला? Lambda by 2 का. So using the same concept, this is how the resonance column will look like. Using the same concept, using the same thing, you have to solve this equation. अभी solve करो. अभी समझ में आ गया L2 minus L1 के बीच में क्या difference है? Guys, now I need more participations. Only 35% of you have responded for this answer. Now I need minimum 60% of you should be able to answer now. So in a resonance column, 2 successive resonance are obtained at depth 30 centimeter and 50 centimeter. तो पहला L1 कितना मिला? 30. L2 कितना मिला? 50. And this L2 minus L1 must be equal to lambda by 2. Now we'll get the value of lambda. So next resonance कब मिलेगा? Obtained at which? तो again at lambda by 2 distance पे, है ना? Next कब मिलेगा? When again you are going to get a condition like this. ठीक है? तो next will be when the lambda by 2 will be again added. So what is the total length then? So this total length plus again lambda by 2. So this length is known to us. So add lambda by 2 to this length, you'll get the answer. Give me an answer, guys. Once you'll find the value of lambda, मालूम चल जाएगा आपको. Okay, option C. अच्छा, देखते हैं. 47% of you have gone for option C, 29% B. अच्छा, chat में भी बहुत सारे आंसर्स आ रहे हैं. Good. ठीक है, B और C में झगड़ा हो रहा है. 49% C, 28% B, and so many options C in the chat. चलो अभी एंड करता हूँ पोल को, मैं बहुत देर से रखता हूँ. ठीक है, सब लोग 70-70 बोल रहे. देखते हैं क्या है आंसर. So can I write this as solution for this is what? L2 minus L1 must be equal to lambda by 2. तो L2 कितना है बच्चा लोग? 50 minus 30 is equal to lambda by 2. So when the next resonance will occur at a height of again lambda by 2. So next resonance is equal to 20. So next resonance will occur at a height of, sorry, at a depth of L2 कितना था? What was the initial depth? तो क्या मिला था? पहला मिला 30 पे, then मिला 50 पे. Now again at a next height of further depth of lambda by 2. That means 50 plus lambda by 2. So what is that answer? 50 plus 20. That means 70 centimeter. So correct answer is 70 centimeter. So option C. So option C जीत गया. 52% of you have gone for option C, and there were so many of you who have gone for option C in the chat also. लगभग सब लोगों ने C ही बोला था. Few of you have gone for option D. 1-2 लोगों ने, and 2-4 लोग थे जिन्होंने B बोला था. Anyway, चलो, well done guys. अभी हम लोग आगे क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. ठीक है, अगला सवाल. So I hope you are clear with this resonance column, right? ये सबको समझ में आ गया? आप लोगों ने लैब में भी किया होगा, तो I think it is now clear to all of you, right? आगे बात करेंगे. तरुण, फ्रीक्वेंसी कैसे सेम रहेगा सब में? कैसे सेम रहेगा फ्रीक्वेंसी सब में? लेंथ सबका चेंज हो गया ना? इन ऑल पहले में लेंथ L1 था, अभी लेंथ L2 हो गया. B is same. तो फ्रीक्वेंसी विल नॉट रिमेन सेम ना. फ्रीक्वेंसी हर मोड में अलग अलग होता है ना भैया. फंडामेंटल मोड में क्या होता है? V/2L और 4L. नेक्स्ट में क्या होता है? V/2V/2L और 3V/4L. तो कैसा फ्रीक्वेंसी सेम है? हर मोड में अलग अलग फ्रीक्वेंसी है. तभी तो बोलते हैं ना कि हर मोड का रेजोनेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी विल बी डिफरेंट. ठीक है. So question अगला सवाल. So velocity of sound in open-ended tube is 330 meter per second. The frequency of tuning fork is 1.1 kilohertz. And the length of tube is equal to 30 centimeter. In which harmonic will it oscillate? Option A, second. Option B, third. Option C, fourth. Option D, fifth. चलो बच्चा आंसर करो, बहुत आसान है. ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस. सॉरी फॉर दिस बैड हैंड राइटिंग, मेरे को जल्दी जल्दी लिखना है इसलिए थोड़ा सा गंदा लग रहा है. लेट मी नो इफ यू फेस डिफिकल्टी इन रीडिंग द लाइंस. ठीक है, अगर तुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है तो बताओ, मैं बताऊंगा. आई विल डिक्टेट दैट. Kiran, yeah, you can solve it logically. Yeah, you can do that. But actual जो method रहेगा वही रहेगा. But to solve that logically also you should understand ना कि how the resonance column look like. वो है क्या? उसमें open end की तरह काम करेगा. Will it act like an open end or will it act like closed end organ pipe? Right? So that you should know. We should know this basic, that what is resonance column. अगर नहीं मालूम है तब तो मुश्किल हो जाएगा. So you know when in some of the institute some teachers will teach you like this, that nothing is given, resonance column है ना, तो consider V by 2L, consider closed end or closed organ pipe. ठीक है, but अगर आपको पता है, if you know what is this resonance column, तो समझ में आएगा, या it will act as a closed organ pipe. तो फिर आपको assume करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. Yes, Kiran, correct. हाँ, then if you know that, you can solve that. Preksha, you cannot see me. I'm not able to hear you. Guys, can you hear me? Am I audible to all of you? Yes. So Preksha, internet का कुछ problem है? Yeah, you can watch it on YouTube. No problem. चलो, I think most of you have solved it, but still the answer that I'm getting on the poll is very less. I'm getting so many answers in the chat, but right now तो yes का है. But yeah, option A. बहुत सारे option A पे जा रहे हैं. 50% of you have gone for option A, 29% B, 17% C, and 3% D. In the chat, most of you have gone for option A. सब लोग A पे गए. अरे भाई साहब. अच्छा, एक है आदित्य D. चलो, तुमने लाज रखी भाई. Okay. अच्छा, sorry. Preksha, you said we can. For what you want to consider YouTube? क्या करना है YouTube? Column तो air column is here only ना? Air column is here only ना? अच्छा, अजय सिंह पक्का A. देखते हैं, पक्का A. चलो, so let me end the poll here. सब लोग A पे ही जा रहे हो. 64% of you in the poll has gone for option A, and in the chat तो भर भर क्या है. हाँ देख, अभी धानुष ने पूछा सर what is the radius? नहीं दिया है. Radius is not given to you. How will you consider the end correction? नहीं करना है. Simple. If radius is not given to you, you cannot get the radius by any means. That means you don't have to consider the end correction. ये थोड़ा सा आपको logical assumption आपको समझना पड़ेगा. Okay, Dhanush? And this is for all of you. If radius is not given to you and you cannot find the radius by any means, that means you don't have to consider the end correction. Okay? चलो. So हाँ, solve करते हैं. So velocity of sound is given to us. Frequency of the tuning fork is 1.1 kilohertz. The length of the tube is 30 centimeter. In which harmonic will it oscillate? कैसा है ये? Open ended है. This is what open ended. तो क्या मिलेगा मेरे को इधर? तो first of all, if it is open ended, can I say that this fourth and second तो होगा ही नहीं? अब बताओ ऑप्शन. कितने लोग बोल रहे थे ऑप्शन ए रही? किसी ने ऑप्शन ए बोला था पक्का? कितने लोग थे? कहाँ गए बच्चा? अजय ब्रैक्स पक्का ए, सब लोग ए पे गए थे। नाउ टेल मी, विल इट बी ए? पॉसिबल है क्या ए? क्या है भाई, देख लो। ओपन एंडेड, ओपन एंडेड का मतलब क्या है? ओपन ऑर्गन पाइप। ओपन ऑर्गन पाइप में डू यू गेट दिस इवन हार्मोनिक्स? वी नेवर गेट इवन हार्मोनिक्स। तो मिलेगा क्या? सिर्फ ऑड, है ना? तो दोस हु आर गोइंग फॉर दिस ए एंड सी, उनका पूरा का पूरा गलत हो गया। तो मोस्ट ऑफ यू हैव गॉन फॉर ऑप्शन ए एक्चुअली। तो क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे? सो वी आर गोइंग टू यूज दिस एज v by 4l into n is equal to frequency. What is that frequency? fn. तो frequency कितना है? 1.1 into 10 to the power 3 किलो हर्ट्ज है, राइट? अच्छा, n का वैल्यू मेरे को मालूम नहीं। What is the velocity? Velocity कितना है? 330 मीटर पर सेकेंड divided by 4 into what is the l? Length is what? 3. Length is what? 3. Sorry, 30 centimeter. तो into 10 to the power 2 ऊपर चला जाएगा। So this will cancel this 10 to the power 3, right? यहाँ का ये आ जाएगा 10. This will cancel here 3. This 3 and this 30 will cancel. So what is the value of n? Wait. कहाँ गया? कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ है क्या? So let me make it fresh. Yeah, so from here I'll get this 1 cancel हो गया, this is 4, so I'm getting n is equal to 4. बताओ क्या आंसर है फिर? अच्छा, दिस इज ओपन ऑर्गन पाइप ना? हाँ, मेरे माय बैड। सो सर ऑड हार्मोनिक क्लोज पाइप में होता है। हाँ, ऑड हार्मोनिक क्लोज पाइप में होता है, isn't it 2n-1? सर क्लोज पाइप इज ऑड। या करेक्ट अजय ब्रैक्स। अरे नाउ व्हाई आर यू सेइंग दैट? So this is open organ pipe. Now if you revise this, see देखो यही confusion की बात कर रहा था मैं। Here, so in closed organ pipe you are getting only odd. ये कौन सा है? This is what? Open organ pipe. इसमें सब मिलेगा। तो मैं नहीं कर सकता हूँ even नहीं मिलेगा, सब मिलेगा इसमें, ठीक है? That is why यहाँ पे देखो क्या आंसर मिला है मेरे को इधर, 4, है ना? दोनों मिल सकता है तो 4। फिर अभी सेकंड कैसे है भाई? n is equal to मेरे को तो 4 मिला ना? Why are you saying second? अच्छा, yeah, it will be then 2l. It will be then 2l. Correct. It will be 2l. So then n will be equal to 2. Correct. N will be equal to 2. So correct answer is option A. तो अजय की इज्जत रह गई। He was saying sir option A पक्का। This happens to him a lot. चलो ठीक है, आगे बात करेंगे दूसरा सवाल। So which harmonic will it have? The second harmonic it will have. Okay. And there are so many of you who actually are agreed with me. जब कुछ लोगों ने रिवाइज किया then they said हाँ सर ये तो this is open harmonic, सब possible है। There's so many of you who actually agreed with me and I can name them. Actually there's so many of you. Sir odd only, not possible. Okay, ठीक है। And then after a while they were saying that sir this is open or open ended, so everything will be possible. Good, ठीक है, सब लोग जाग रहे हो मतलब, मैं ही सो गया था कुछ देर के लिए। अगला सवाल, ठीक है? चलो next question. So an organ pipe P1 is closed at one end and vibrating in its first overtone, ठीक है? And another pipe P2 opened at both the ends, vibrating in its third overtone, are in resonance with a given tuning fork. Then the ratio of lengths P1 and P2 is option A 1/3, option B 2/3, option C 8/3, and option D 3/8. Solve. Guys, come on, solve this. Okay, yes. So I got 3/8. B. देखेंगे. Come on, guys, try to solve this. Organ pipe P1 है, which is closed at one end and vibrating its first overtone. फर्स्ट ओवरटोन है और कैसा है, वन एंड क्लोज्ड है, मतलब क्लोज्ड ऑर्गन पाइप है. क्लोज्ड ऑर्गन पाइप में क्या मिलता है, सिर्फ ऑड मल्टीपल. तो ये क्या मिल जाएगा, 3V/4L. सेकंड क्या है, एंड अनदर पाइप P2 opened at both the ends, open organ pipe, and it is vibrating in its third overtone. थर्ड ओवरटोन मतलब कौन सा हार्मोनिक, फंडामेंटल इज फर्स्ट हार्मोनिक, फर्स्ट ओवरटोन इज सेकंड हार्मोनिक, सो थर्ड ओवरटोन इज फोर्थ हार्मोनिक. तो 4 into V/2L. And both of them are what, in resonance with a given tuning fork. मतलब resonance का meaning क्या होता है कि whatever the frequency this tuning fork is having, the same frequency both the pipes or both the organ pipes are having for the air column. So air column in both the pipes are vibrating with the same frequency as the tuning fork is having. ठीक है, तो दोनों का frequency क्या है, both of them are vibrating with same frequency as of the tuning fork. तो दोनों का फ्रीक्वेंसी को इक्वेट करेंगे and then we'll get the ratio of length in P1 and P2. So 59% of you have gone for option D, and in the chat तो most of you have gone for option C or D. A B पे कोई नहीं गया है, but C और D सब लोगों ने बोला है. ठीक है, good. श्रवणा C, अद्वैत D, श्रेया D, वेंकना D, हरि प्रकाश A, good. विद्या D, then राहुल कुमार D. सब लोग मिल के आ रहा है अभी, मोस्टली D ही आंसर है. अजय ब्रैग्स D, चेतना D, कुशल D. मैं तो पढ़ भी नहीं पा रहा हूँ, इतने आंसर हैं. सो एवरीवन इज आंसरिंग मी ऑन दी चैट. क्या सिर्फ चैट पे मेरे को आंसर आ रहा है? लाइक इन द चैट आई कैन गेट, लाइक आई हैव गॉट मोर देन 100 रिस्पॉन्सेस, more than 100. Yes, it's going and going on. Every second I'm getting minimum 10 to 15 responses. अच्छा, दोनों जगह लिख रहे हो क्या? ओके, ठीक है, दोनों जगह लिख रहे हो, बढ़िया है. एनीवे, चलो अभी हम बात करते हैं. लेट मी एंड द पोल हियर. सो मोस्ट ऑफ यू हैव गॉन फॉर ऑप्शन डी. आई थिंक सबको समझ में आ गया ये चीज, राइट? अच्छा, देखो सॉल्व करते हैं. तो जिनसे नहीं हुआ है वो देख लेंगे बच्चा. So first one is what, P1 क्या है, closed at one end है. Closed at one end means, what is the meaning of closed at one end? That means closed organ pipe. In closed organ pipe, you will only get the odd harmonic, right? तो क्या लिखा है, in first overtone. First overtone means first harmonic, right? Sorry, second harmonic. Not second, third harmonic. First overtone क्या होता है, fundamental का just bar. Fundamental का just bar you are going to get F1 or F3 is equal to, for pipe, let me write it properly. For pipe 1, that is closed organ pipe, because few of you are actually copying this note, so let me write it properly. For pipe 1, that is closed organ pipe, first overtone means third harmonic. This means third harmonic. So F for 1, so frequency will be here, F1, F is nothing but 3 into V/4L, because natural frequency or fundamental frequency is V/4L for the closed organ pipe. Now for pipe 2 or for pipe P2, that is the open organ pipe, both the ends are open. So for open organ pipe, which overtone is going on? So vibrating in third overtone. So for open organ pipe, third overtone means fourth harmonic. It means fourth harmonic. So for fourth harmonic, what is the frequency? 4 into V/2L. So length of P1 is, let's say, L1, length of P2 is, let's say, L2. So but both of them are having the same frequency because they're in resonance, because they're in resonance with the tuning fork. So 3 into V/4L1 is equal to 2 into V/L2. What we need to find? Ratio of P1 and P2. So L1/L2. So L1 divided by L2 will be equal to 3 divided by 4 into 2, that means 3 divided by 8. Well done. So सब लोगों ने आंसर यही किया, करेक्ट है, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड गाइस। चलो तो अभी लोगों को समझ में आ रही है बातें, बहुत बढ़िया। नाउ यू few of you were saying sir बहुत टफ है, this topic is very easy। आप अगर अच्छे से समझ जाते हो तो you can solve it in a very better way in a very short span of time। So let me solve one more numerical। So a glass tube is open at both the ends। A tuning frequency f, ठीक है, sorry, a tuning fork of frequency f, a tuning fork of frequency f is resonating or resonates, f resonates, question कहाँ गया, yeah, with the air column inside the tube। Now the tube is placed vertically inside water to the half of, or to the half the length of, ठीक है, so water placed inside the water to the half, or so that, इसको लिखो so that half the length of tube is filled with water। Now the air column inside the tube is unison with another tuning fork, of frequency f dash। Then option A, f dash is equal to f, option B, f dash is equal to 4f, option C, f dash is equal to 2f, and option D, f dash is equal to f by 2। सॉल्व करो, बहुत आसान है, बिल्कुल टफ नहीं है, डरना बिल्कुल नहीं लंबा क्वेश्चन देख के। Try to solve it guys। 2 conditions, you have to go for 2 conditions, you'll get the answer। Second line, okay, now the air column inside the tube is unison with another tuning fork of frequency f dash। Is what f dash? यूनिसॉन का मतलब क्या होता है, इक्वल। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस यूनिसॉन? दैट इज नथिंग बट इक्वल। So the frequency of the vibration inside the air column is equal to the frequency of another tuning fork with frequency f dash। ठीक है, वो आप समझो, आप करके देखो। यस करेक्ट। यूनिसॉन का मतलब विद इक्वल फ्रीक्वेंसी, दोनों का फ्रीक्वेंसी सेम है। When we place that tube inside the water na, the frequency of vibration of air column or air inside the air column is equal to the frequency of the tuning fork, दोनों का सेम है। ठीक है, यस यस बच्चा, यू कैन डू दैट। या यस विश्रुत, रेजोनेट्स बोल रहा है ना, रेजोनेंस का कंडीशन होता है, मतलब होता है कि द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द ट्यूनिंग फोक इफ इट इज इक्वल टू द नेचुरल फ्रीक्वेंसी, जो भी उस पे हो रहा है उसके बराबर हो जाए, तो रेजोनेट करने की बात करते हैं। ठीक है, कुशल ए, प्रथम सी, अद्वैत is saying option A, विजय D, ऐश्वर्या C, चेतन A, ओके, विश्रुति सेइंग देन ऑप्शन ए, ठीक है देखेंगे। ऑप्शन बी जन, मिला जुला आंसर आ रहा है। 32% ए, 14% बी, 43% सी, 11-12% डी, सब मिला जुला के आंसर दे रहे हो तुम लोग। अजय ब्रैग्स ए, मोनिशा बी, संजना सी, ओमकार सी, संकेत बी, सब मिला जुला के आंसर आ रहा है। इस बार गड़बड़ हो गया। आई थॉट ऑफ कि सब लोग सही आंसर करोगे, थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया इस बार। कम ऑन गाइस, ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस। बहुत आसान है, बिल्कुल टफ नहीं है, बिल्कुल भी टफ नहीं है। मोनिशा, व्हाट इज द आंसर? व्हाट यू आर सेइंग? गणेश ए, विजय लक्ष्मी ए। कम ऑन गाइस, इन द पोल, कम ऑन, पोल में तो जल्दी से करो। ओनली 58% ऑफ यू हैव रिस्पोंडेड टू द पोल। बाकी लोग चैट में तो बहुत सारा है, बट पोल पे नहीं डाल रहे हो आप। ट्राई टू राइट दैट इन द पोल, मोस्ट ऑफ यू। मोनिशा बी, सुहास ए। ओके ठीक है, राहुल, आशुतोष, सुहास, सबका ए है। त्रिशा ए, बहुत बढ़िया। चलो तो सॉल्व करते हैं फिर, ठीक है। लेट मी एंड द पोल। कौन है, क्या है, किसका प्रॉब्लम है ये? ठीक है, चलो बाद में देखता हूँ। हाँ, तो कैसे सॉल्व करना है इसको? सो ग्लास ट्यूब इज ओपन एट बोथ द एंड्स। अभी क्या है, दोनों ओपन है। तो नाउ आई विल टॉक अबाउट ओपन ऑर्गन पाइप। So in open organ pipe, the tuning fork of F resonates with the air column inside it. Okay, तो अभी क्या air column के साथ resonate कर रहा है। तो F is equal to, open में क्या होगा, V by 2L. So in open organ pipe, what is the natural frequency? V by 2L. तो F is equal to V by 2L. तो ये consider करो ऐसा कुछ था। It was like this. Now if we place this tube, ठीक है, if we place, मान लो यहाँ पे water है, if you are having water here. If we place this tube on water in such a way that half of it is what? Half of it is filled with water. तो अभी क्या है, यहाँ पे water आ गया। So now the length has become, कितना हो गया length? ये this is the L by 2. What is the length of air column now? Length of air column is what? L by 2. Wait. कुछ बोल रहा है कुछ लोग, हाँ ठीक है। So now this will act, and this is what? Open organ pipe. This is nothing but open organ pipe, but now this will act as a closed organ pipe. Closed organ pipe. So here F dash will be written as V by, speed of this sound will not change because we are talking about the air column only, speed of the sound in air only, so V only, divided by 4 into, what is the length of air column now? L by 2. So L by 2. क्या मिला? It's nothing but V by 2L only. So what is the correct answer? F is equal to F dash. So correct answer here is F is equal to F dash. So सही आंसर हो गया हमारा ऑप्शन ए, जो कि most of you have got the answer. नहीं, सब लोग का नहीं आया था, चैट में कुछ लोगों ने लिखा था, but in the poll तो mixed reaction था। 35% A and actually 40% of you have gone for option C. That means F dash is equal to 2F. गलत आपसे इसलिए हुआ because you have considered them as open organ pipe. That you have done. You have considered this as closed organ pipe. That you have done. We've also used the same formula, but length आपने half नहीं किया. This is now fixed end ना, so this is closed organ pipe. Here nothing is there, so open organ pipe. Guys, click yes if you understood this. अगर समझ में आया तो please let me know. Click yes if you understood the vibration in air column. अगर ये समझ में आ गया तो yes click करने का, ठीक है? बहुत बढ़िया। कौन है, किसको प्रॉब्लम हो रही? Raise your hand जिसको प्रॉब्लम है। Yes. So this is it guys. This is it for today. आज के लिए बस इतना ही। काफी स्लो गया हूँ मैं, I know that. I didn't want to rush it out. बहुत ज़्यादा फास्ट नहीं पढ़ाना चाहता था मैं। And if I would have been starting this beats today, तो थोड़ा सा कुछ लोगों को प्रॉब्लम हो जाता। So I didn't start that beat frequency today. So tomorrow I'll start beat frequency. I'll teach you beat. ठीक है? तो beats frequency कल हो जाएगा। And tomorrow I'll try to start Doppler effect also. But let's see. Tomorrow I'll try to start the Doppler effect also. So in 2 days this chapter will be over. I need 2 days to complete this chapter. So 2 दिन में हो जाएगा। तो Saturday है, and if possible अगर time मिला तो I'll take a class on Sunday and try to complete the chapter on Sunday only. ठीक है, so that Monday से कुछ नया शुरू कर पाए. Otherwise Monday को मैं खत्म करूँगा. Last problem क्या है? Last problem चेतना. देखो बच्चा, what is the initial condition? Okay guys, this is it. Those who want to leave, they can leave. So this was the last question for today. So guys, stay safe, stay healthy, and thank you for attending the class. You guys were responsive today. बहुत मजा आया. और I think you must have understood the concept of vibration in air column. चलो, stay safe, stay healthy, enjoy Madi. Bye bye. Take care.